अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो दोस्तों आज हम पढ़ेंगे जी सी प्लस प्लस प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के बारे में। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगेगी। तो अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे लगे तो चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, और अगर आप न्यू हैं तो भी चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें। और बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सी प्लस प्लस इज़ द मोस्ट used and most popular programming language developed by Journey Strip. C++ is a high-level and object-oriented programming language. This language allows developers to write clean and efficient code to large applications and software development, game development, and operating system programming. It is an expansion of C programming language to include object-oriented program OOPS and is used to develop programs for computers. This C++ tutorial will cover all the basic to advanced topics of C++ like C++ basics, C++ functions, classes, OOPS, and STL concept. What is C++? C++ is the most popular closed-platform programming language, which is used to create high-performance applications and software like OS, games, e-commerce software, etc. It was developed by Journey Strip is an extension of C language. C++ give a high level of control over system resource and memory, while in language. C++ is one of the most used and popular programming language. C++ used in making operating system, embedded system, and GUI, graphical user interface. It is an object-oriented programming language that implements all the OOPS concepts such as abstractions, encapsulation, and inheritance, which gives a clear structure to programs and all allows code to be reused, lowering development cost and providing security. It is portable and can be used to create applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. C++ is easy to learn so that you can choose it as your first programming language. It makes programming easy for programmers to switch to C++ because its syntax similar to C, Java, and C Sharp. C++ table tutorial table of content overview of C++ basics functions. C++ overview introduction features history interesting facts setting up development environment similarities and difference between C and C++. C++ basics, C++ variables, C++ data input output, C++ difference, C++ pointers and reference, C++ strings, C++ structures and union, C++ dynamic memory management, C++ object oriented programs, C++ encapsulation and abstraction, C++ polymorphism, C++ functions overloading, operator overloading, inheritance, virtual functions in C++, exception handling in C++, files and streams in C++, templates in C++, C++ standard template library, STL, C++, iterators, C++ preprocessor, C++ namespace, advanced C++, CVC, C++, vs Java, competitive programming in C++, C++ interview question application of C++ operating system. C++ is most widely used programming language and becomes the ideal choice for developing operating system. Mac OS X has majority of part written in C++, and most of Microsoft like Windows, Microsoft Office ID, Visual Studio and Internet Explorer are also written in C++. तो फ्रेंड्स अगर आप चैनल पर न्यू है चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।